Meet Laura. She's an aspiring MBA candidate who's getting ready to take her GMAT, but she's heard a rumor that the first 10 questions of the GMAT are the most important. Is that true, Laura wonders? Let's find out. The GMAT is not your everyday test. It's a computer adaptive test, which means the difficulty of the test adjusts based on your responses. It's kind of like the GMAT is playing detective, trying to figure out your level of skill. Now, about those first 10 questions. They're important, but not for the reason you might think. The first few questions help establish your initial skill level. Get these right, and the test thinks, hey, Laura's got some skills. Let's turn up the heat a bit. But here's when the rumor has led some folks astray. While the first 10 questions help set up your initial skill level, it doesn't mean that they are enough to be able to ignore and guess the rest. Acing the first 10 questions doesn't guarantee a high score unless you can maintain the tempo. It's a lot like a game of chess. The opening moves are important, but the middle and end game matter too. What really affects your score is not just getting a question right, but getting harder questions right. Each question you answer correctly nudges the algorithm to offer up harder questions, which carry more weight. It's kind of like lifting weights. The heavier the weight, the more muscle you gain. Also, make sure you answer every question on the GMAT. The penalty for leaving questions unanswered is quite severe, so an easy way to pick up some points if you're out of time is to guess. So Laura, while those first 10 questions are important, remember, the GMAT is a marathon, not a sprint. Allocate your time among all questions. Answer each question as best you can, but not spending more than 3 minutes on any single one. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more such content.